Welcome dear students. Now we will have practical number 3 from science 1. So the aim of the experiment is to observe the following reactions and to classify them into the types of combination, displacement, decomposition and double displacement. So reactions are: first, reaction of water with slake lime; second, effect of heat on ferrous sulphate; third, reaction of copper sulphate solution with iron nail; and fourth, reaction of solutions of sodium sulphate and barium chloride with each other. For this we require apparatus in which we are going to have the test tubes, then china dish, asbestos sheet, dropper and so on. The chemicals are calcium oxide, water, crystals of ferrous sulphate, iron nail, wire scrubber or then solution of copper sulphate, that I will show you when we will do the practical. So, let us start. First we are going to have reaction of water with slake lime. So, this is slake lime. Now, you will see this is white in color. Okay. So, what you have to do, just take small amount, that is 10 gram of slake lime into the china dish. Now, instead of china dish I am using some petri dish over here. So, take small amount. I am taking approximately, see like this. Okay. And what you have to do is just put 1 or 2 drops of water in it, that is all. Okay. So, and then you have to observe the reaction. If you feel here down, it is little bit warm, okay, not very hot, but it is little bit warm. Okay. So, this is exothermic reaction. Okay. So, heat is evolved out, that is all. This much only you have to do, and you have to note down the observations. I will give the observations into the observation table in the PDF of this experiment. Okay. Now, second part, effect of heat on crystals of ferrous sulphate. See here, this is ferrous sulphate. Okay. Now, you have to take small amount of ferrous sulphate into the dry test tube. Now, I will take a dry test tube first. Let me see, it is dry. Let us take small amount of ferrous sulphate, maybe 1 or 2 spatulas, into a dry test tube. Okay. Now, observe the color of this ferrous sulphate. Now, you will see this is little bit pale green in color. You might not be able to see into the camera, but it is pale green in color. Okay. Now, you know the formula of ferrous sulphate, that is FeSO4, 7H2O. So, 7H2O molecules are present, because of this is green, pale green in color. Okay. Now, what we have to do, we are going to heat this ferrous sulphate, then observe the change. Okay. Now, let us first burn the burner. Okay. Now, see here, you have to heat it slowly. Again, just last video I have shown you that how to heat the test tube. Okay. So, heat it like this, slowly go on heating and observe the changes. Okay. Now, just now I told formula for ferrous sulphate is FeSO4 7H2O. 7H2O molecules are there, so the color is pale green. Now, if you see the changes, you will find that after heating, water molecules are evaporated, and that is going to accumulate onto the walls of the test tube, and you will see the color change. Now, just wait, see the color change, this is brown in color. Okay. Now, let the test tube get cool down, then you will see the water molecules are going to present onto the wall of the test tube. See, can you see the water molecules? See here, the water molecules are present. Okay, just wait. All right, so maybe you are able to see here some water molecules are present. Okay, so here the water molecules are given out, so the color become brownish. All right, so this type of reaction is called decomposition reaction. See the third reaction, reaction of solution of copper sulphate with iron nail. So here we have taken some iron nail. Observe the color. Now color of copper sulphate solution is bluish in color, and if you will see the nails are silvery and shiny. Okay, what you have to do? Put this iron nail into the petri dish and just pour small amount of copper sulphate into the petri dish, and let this petri dish be as it is for some time and observe the change. So you will see that the iron nail will become brownish red and this solution will become light green. This shows that copper is displaced from the solution and copper is deposited onto the nail. Okay. So this is the displacement reaction experiment. Now let us start with the fourth part, the reaction between sodium sulphate and barium chloride. See here, this is sodium sulphate solution and this is barium chloride solution. Okay. Now what you have to do? Take small amount of sodium sulphate into the test tube like this. Now this is colorless. Okay. The color of the sodium sulphate solution is colorless. Also this color of the barium sulphate is also colorless. Alright. Now what you have to do? Just pour small amount of barium chloride into the test tube and observe the change. Now observe the change very closely. See here. Can you see the change? Now here you will find that the color changed to white, and after some time here you will see the white precipitate is formed. Alright. So this is called double displacement reaction. BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 gives rise to BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Now after some time you will see some settlement will be there at the bottom of the test tube. Precipitate is settled down. Like this we have completed first, that is the reaction of water with the slake lime. Second, effect of heat on ferrous sulphate. Third, the reaction of copper sulphate solution with the iron nail. I will again show you something. See here the changes are there on the nail. Nail is becoming little bit brownish. And the fourth part, reaction of solution of sodium sulphate and the barium chloride. See the precipitate is formed here. Okay. Give the PDF of this and write down and complete the journal. Thank you.